Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Alright, for this one, if you remember me telling you that it's actually too long for my A plate, right? So, what I'm going to try to do is, I got this platform from my vintage. This is a long one. Oh, and by the way, there she is. There's Miss Vintage. Had to go and pull her out, give her a bath before I brought her out in public. This is for the Vintage, and I just have this one plate here that there we go. I just have this one, and I'm gonna not actually center it, but put it off a little bit here. And right now I'm just checking to see. And I'm thinking about taking these two B plates. Once you put the paper on, do I have any scrap paper? And this is just for this, like just for me showing. So I'm thinking about doing something like this and then butting it up against here once I get it rolling. So I think that might work. Should we try it now just because? Well, you know what? Let me do it this way. But anyway, I might have to take that out. Okay, so give me a minute. Let me cut some paper, and then we're gonna try this. Okay, guys, we are about to try it. I got my pieces here. I have whatever these things are right here. I got this one clear plate that I'm putting down here. Here is the die itself. I cut out this sheet of white, and it's 3 and I think it's 3 1/4 inches wide. And put that down. Then I'm gonna take my 2 B plates, if I can find the other one. Here we go. I'm gonna take my 2 B plates and I'm gonna put them down like this. And then we're gonna try and cut it. Let me get this kind of even with that part right there. And we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Okay, let's twirl, and I'm going to try to keep this as close to this as possible. Okay, let's see what we got. Yeah, it worked. Look at there. Perfect, you can't tell. Perfect. And now let's just get the other pieces cut out. Okay, so since we still got this stuff here, we're just gonna cut these pieces out and we're gonna be done with this one. I just got to make sure to keep all these little pieces together. Okay, we got that. Let's see. We'll use this piece right here. Oh, let me make sure. Okay, yeah, that's enough. That's enough. It will do it. It'll do it. Okay, here we go. So far, it's looking perfect as usual. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so we have our ghost here. We have our layering piece right there. Look here, here's the mouth. I think this is part of the mouth. Here's Boo, the shadow. That's an O. And let's get this one. Yeah, the B fell out. That's good. Okay. The V and the other O. We got a, what is this? Whatever these two, one is a bow. I don't know what that itty bitty piece is, but we got it. And there's another piece of a bow. So how did I get to, I guess it's to layer the bows. And maybe that little bitty piece, maybe that little bitty piece goes inside of it like that. I don't know. I have to go and look at Lisa's video and see. Get that out of there. Okay. So there we are. This is the second one. We have this piece right here, which is right here. We have this layering piece here, which is right here. I think those were those little things, yeah, these little pieces right here are. And the last thing is the ghost. The ghost and the boo and whatever these other little bitty pieces are, little bits and pieces, the bips and bobs. The shadow boo, the word boo, the two bows, and that may or may not go, but I'm gonna add it anyway. Okay, let me see. Let me bring it here. Let me see if I can focus it. Oops, I'm so sorry. Okay guys, that is it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs hey up. Look, I need to fix that. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys.